1994 Impala SS sedan. And listen to this, 17 miles on this car, 17 original miles. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, no readings over that on the Carfax. Of course, black in color, only color you could have gotten on a 1994 model year. Also, the lowest production model year of the 3-year run of these, 94, 95, and 96. 6,303 of these made in 1994. Of course, underneath the hood, LT1 5.7 liter. That is paired up with a automatic with overdrive transmission, nicely equipped also. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a close look at this front bumper, grille. As you can see, great reflection coming off that paint. It is black, and again, with the car's age, there's a couple little imperfections. There's one little spot up here where it had a little touch up paint done to it, and I'll try to point out maybe a couple more that I noticed as I went around. But overall, stunning car. And where are you going to find one with that low miles? Check out the still pictures. Look at the underside, interior engine bay. All the pics will be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see up and down the passenger side of this car, pretty much free much of any nicks, dings, or scratches. One really tiny up here, as you can see in the black, maybe one up on top of the hood. Again, look at the reflection coming off the ceiling and the wall. Riding on the stock wheels. Original tires. Of course, this would have the light gray leather buckets in it. This window sticker would have been shipped with the car, and that would have been on the window. I did not have prices yet, because the prices were then sent out on a different sticker to the Chevy dealers back in '94. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's one little tiny spot back here too, and that'll be in the still pictures. So go ahead, take a look at those still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. You'll be able to see the RPO code sticker that's in the trunk. If you want to see exactly how this thing was equipped, check out all the still pictures. It's going to show you that also. Let's go ahead and go down the driver's side of this car. You can see how straight it is, and again, the condition of the reflection coming off that paint. You'll be able to see all the way to the front door. Take a look at that. All right, take a peek at the interior. Like I said, light gray buckets. Let me pull that key 1 second. Door panels, of course, power windows, power locks, power seat, driver's side, power mirrors. Take a look across on the other side. You have a power bucket seat on the passenger side, center console, and then look at these seats. I mean, they're just obviously not hardly worn at all. Not been sat in. SS embroidered headrests. Extremely comfortable car to drive. Top of the dash, no cracks, no fading, weather checking, anything like that. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Check out the exact miles. I want you to be able to hear it run, and we'll check out underneath the hood. Look at the engine bay. All right, and everything works on this one. Obviously, with that kind of miles is what you'd expect. A little low on fuel. All the gauges working. Low fuel light even works. There's your 17 miles. Wow. This particular one, equipped with a CD player. So you have AM, FM CD player, which would be pretty early on for a compact disc player in a '94. And take a look at all the seats. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. So you'll know what I'm talking about the condition of them. Headliner, intact, looking good. Sounds as it should. Slip around to the back. Of course, dual exhaust from that LT1. Same engine that you would have seen in the Corvette. Camaros. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's go ahead and check out this engine bay. I think we know how that's going to look. Let's take a look anyway.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Start off with that hood liner. Spotless. And now for the engine bay. Look at that. Engine bay looks like new. Sounds good. Once again, nicely equipped. AC does go cold. Still stickers on the cowl. All the labels, tags. And again, check out the underside pictures, as well as all of them of the interior, trunk, engine bay. Probably 100 pictures of this car online. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call, enter, email.